SsangYong Korando is a mini SUV or compact crossover SUV built by the South Korean automobile manufacturer SsangYong from 1983 to 2006. The name Korando is a construction of Korea can do. SsangYong Korando defies convention with its distinct design, sparking divisive opinions. However, whether the unconventional aesthetics resonate with you or not, its exceptional value remains undeniable. In a 4x4 market, saturated with a small, delicate Barbie truck that shrink at the sight of rough terrain, the Korando stands tall, boasting robust construction. Those fortunate enough to secure one are in for an enduring companion built to tackle challenges head-on. Beneath its unconventional exterior, a second-hand Korando emerges as a sensible choice, built upon rugged foundations and powered by engines sourced from the reputable German entity Mercedes-Benz, known for its engineering prowess. The Korando is anything but ordinary. Originally priced attractively, it emerged as a distinctive alternative to the Jeep Wrangler, guaranteeing an air of exclusivity. Introduced in 1997, it bore the SsangYong emblem for a 2-year stint before transitioning to the Deo mark from 1999 to 2002. Subsequently, SsangYong made a resurgence, concentrating on the more refined Rexton 4x4 model. While many assume that the SsangYong and Deo iterations of the Korando were mirror images with distinct badges, distinctions existed. Deo's touch led to subtle aesthetic tweaks such as revised taillights, distinct door mirrors, and the option of alternative alloy wheels. Under the hood, the naturally aspired SsangYong diesel engine that initially powered the Korando gave way to a turbocharged variant, enhancing power from 96 to 118 horsepower. You will definitely like this car if you think that Wrangler, Land Cruiser and Land Rover are too much expensive for you.